Hey Barry, listen, I just wanted to run by a couple of things that I thought would be best illustrated on a screencast. This is our search by street name results page, and what I wanted to show you is that we're really close to delivering this in the same flow, column flow as Matrix. This is the Matrix user interface, and this is actually now the only choice for realtors. Um, in when they go searching. So what I was thinking is that we might be able to change the order of these columns on our deal to fit there. We'd still get rid of all the stuff like bedrooms, bathrooms, and all that hogwash on this page that we're not using. The other thing is I was wondering if maybe we could take this view details button and make it a link with the MLS number. And so, you click that and it goes to their details page versus you click view details and it goes to our details page. And again, this only reason I'm saying this is because I think it would be, we're trying to create habitual use of this thing. And if it goes in the same order or the same flow, or if they see stuff on our application that they're used to seeing on Matrix, it might smooth that transition a little bit. So the other thing on here that I wanted to point out, is just real quick, are these icons that they have over here, right? They've got a really slick interface for photos. So there's the photo icon, and it pops up to a real nice looking, deal that you can slide, or you can have a slideshow, and they're big enough to be able to see. I on ours, I mean, I know that this this thumbnail rollover deal was my idea. It's obviously not working that good because the rollovers are so big. We don't have enough white space in there to where they're so big that, you can't get sequential rollovers, right? You skip, the next one on the side, right? And then I think there's a way that you can code this thing to make this bigger, which would be fine. But anyway, so my idea was just to maybe replace that, what we have with some sort of a photo icon, again, that looks like what they're used to seeing. There's their map icon. Clicks out to a map. There you go. And then all of these things over here. So there's a history, and there's a link to the tax card, right? And these are like detailed neighborhood reports that come in from Market Link. Oh, address is invalid. I got a bad one. Hang on a second here, and let's try that. So and that stuff, all of these icons over here can certainly be version 4 or 5 or whatever. This is a neighborhood report that comes from CoreLogic, and it's really detailed, and that's all great stuff, and obviously that's way down the road. I just wanted to demonstrate and show you what they were. So that's about it, buddy. The other thing is on here, we talked about doing a CSV export. So they've got this export button right here, and when you click it, I have the dadgum thing open. Hang on a second. When you click it, it just exports a CSV file, goes straight to it, and only takes a second normally, but since I've gone and shut down Excel, it's going to take a minute to pop up, and I don't want to waste your time. So just suffice it to say that it exports to a clean CSV file. There he goes. I think that's a really helpful tool. We've talked about that before, and then at some point, before launch, we're obviously, when we go to view report, we're obviously also going to need to see some sort of a button where we can either print or email the results of the report. And I know that's on the to-do list. I'm not going to break in too much to that. Again, the main thing that I wanted to demonstrate on this sucker was that is a pretty spot on value right there. I just want you to know that. That I wanted you to see the layout and the icons on the Matrix app. Okay, so the rest of it I'm putting together. I'm sort of updating the to-do list and doing an audit, and I will send that over. Actually, the link to this video will be on that report. So I hope you're doing well, and that's it for now. Thanks, man. Bye.